like to take a few minutes and tell you about Jack & Rose, the sponsor of today's video. Let me introduce you to the Jack & Rose Travel Steamer and Iron for Clothes. It is the #1 best-selling steamer on Amazon with over 1,000 positive reviews. It's portable and perfect for travel or to use around your home. This portable steamer is easy to use and has 2 speeds of steam. It also has a dry option for ironing. It has an automatic shut-off when the steamer has not been in operation for 10 minutes, and it also comes with an insulated high-temperature base for resting the steamer in. The Jack & Rose steamer only takes 15 seconds to reach working temperature. Because the steamer has dual heating pot technology, it provides stable steam output and avoids water spraying. I am really impressed at how well the Jack & Rose steamer removed the wrinkles from this cardigan. I do have it on the lowest heat setting and it removed the wrinkles with ease. I can understand why the Jack & Rose steamer is the #1 selling steamer on Amazon. It is so easy to use and it does a great job of steaming your clothes. I also wanted to use the ironing mode on the steamer just to see how well it worked. And I have noticed that when I steam my clothes that the sleeves are very difficult to work with. But you have the option of ironing, and so you can put this down on an ironing board and iron away, and it does a great job. It's so small and portable, and it's just easy to use, and it's a great tool to have around your home or for travel. It also comes with a 90-degree rotation base plate, which makes the ironing area larger and more efficient. This steamer also came with ironing advice, which I really appreciated because it lets you know which heat setting is best for the material that your clothes are made of, ensuring the best results. One of my favorite options about the Jack & Rose steamer is it's portable. It comes with its own storage bag so that I can store it away and put it into my suitcase and take it with me wherever I travel so that my clothes will always be wrinkle-free and looking their best. Also, because the steam iron machine supports 100 to 240 voltage range, it can be used globally without worrying about voltage mismatch. The Jack & Rose steamer is perfect for daily use, and it's also a great gift option. You can check out all of the details by clicking the link in my description box below. Thank you so much, Jack & Rose, for sponsoring today's video.